Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good and happy Mukmas. How yous all doing? I know I ask yous all the time how yous are doing because I hope yous are all, I know yous are all doing good because yous are here. I'm not being, cut that out. You know I'll not cut that out because I don't do any editing. It's all raw, it's all real. I keep it as it is, you know. So, today I am having pizza and, well, this is a Goodfellas pizza. I don't think I've had a Goodfellas pizza before, but we'll see if he's a good fella. And these are Pizza Express dough balls, garlic dough balls. I have definitely not had them before, and this is just my garlic sauce. And for drinks, I have got some, I've decided to drink some of my son's Coke because I'm sick of water. Plus I need something different on my palate, like drink wise, beverage wise. There's only so much water you can drink before you get fed up with it. Just saying. Keeping it real, as I do. So, let's have a try of one of these. Dip it into my garlic sauce. It's one place I've never been to. Pizza Express. Never really. I don't know. By the way, my hair ain't greasy. I went into the bath, completely forgot I hadn't had my tea. Because I tend to do that, you know. I forget to eat. And I was like, I haven't had my tea and I haven't filmed a video. So, I like to naturally dry my hair as well, to be honest. So, you know. Alright. And I don't lie either. If it's alright, it's alright. We'll keep it real on this channel, people. We'll keep it real. I'd rather be real, excuse me, rather be real about something than be fake and you thinking, oh, I'll go out and buy that. It's like, no. Couldn't be one of those people. No. Definitely not. It's like a couple of weeks ago. I think it was the back end of October. Definitely think it was back end of October. Went to the university opening day with my son, and well, afterwards we went into town. And I said to him, do you want to get something to eat? He went, I will go to Five Guys. I'd never been before. And he had only been once. But he liked it. So we goes to Five Guys. We get 2 hot dogs, 1 portion of chips, 1 drink. Because I'm not really a fizzy pop drinker. So we shared the drink. And £17.50. £17.50 for 2 hot dogs, portion of fries, Cajun fries, and 1 drink. I was expecting huge hot dogs, right? Out came these tiny, normal size hot dogs. And they were so hard to chew. And I'm like, I could have went to Costco and got a massive hot dog. If you've ever been to Costco's, could have went there, got a massive hot dog. I'm sure the last time I got one, I think they were £1.50 for a hot dog and a drink. That went to go down the wrong hole. So anyway, don't get us wrong, I love Costco hot dogs. Love them. They're nice, soft, and not too soft but firm. Nice and firm. And not dry. Nice and moist. How many people did I just trigger off by saying that word? I don't get why people don't like that word. I don't get it. No, I don't get it. Thought I could feel something there. Chloe's doing that. Put me tray up the marrow. Oops. That's a bother when you're working. I need to write the Christmas cards out as well. I'm not going to struggle eating the edges. Because as you know, I haven't got many teeth. Last time I definitely had something there. These are alright. Do you want me? Keep it real. I mean, if I didn't like it, which I've done before in the past, like when I've been doing videos, if I hadn't enjoyed the video, like doing the video, I'll not post it, but obviously, for me. And then I'm thinking, even though it's not like grand, you still want to say it, don't you? Do they like it? Do they not? And blah 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 blah. It's nice, the pizza. Won't get the dough balls again. Unless they were like fresh out of the oven. Like when you go to the pizza place. If it was like that, I would get it. Not a problem. Why is it? You've been asleep all this time, and as soon as I sit down in front of the camera, how's me tea? You're awake. Go and lie down, Chloe. Go on, go sleep. Oh. That edge is alright. I like the thick crust pizzas. So I tend to think that the thin crust the edges go hard, and then I don't like it when the edges are hard. Then you kind of eat the full pizza. Chloe. Little monkey. So 14 days, 14 days, 14 days for my operation. Aye, 14 days. No. No. I don't know. What day are we on? I can't check my phone because I'm filming on my phone. Not long anyway. Not long. I'm like, what's that? It's the freaking glass. Wait, honestly, I thought there was something on the wall. It's the bloody glass. Ew. I'll definitely get the pizza again. Not get the dough balls again. Sorry, Pizza Express. Maybe if they were fresh from the actual restaurant, then I will probably get it. But store-bought, no. But then again, everything's always better when it's freshly made. Yeah. Everything's always better when it's freshly made. Who's doing Elf on the Shelf? Anybody? Nobody? Not me? Thank God. Right. I'm kind of full, but not full, because I was kind of looking forward to them. Yep. Nope. So, I'm going to leave it at that. I am. And I'm going to sit down and watch I'm a Celeb. Pardon me. And I will see you. Whoa. On the other side. This... I do apologise. This is why I don't drink fizzy pop. I'm putting a ban on fizzy pop from now on in my videos. Just saying. I do apologise. So, I'm going to leave it at that, guys, because we're nearly, Christ, we're nearly at 20 minutes. Please take care. Watch what you are doing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!